I read this beautiful line today that is, knowledge is the only investment that never loses its value. And today we are going to learn another type of output UI node that is the table node. I have already created a flow to represent it. So I have taken this this table node here and a function node and the table node. Inside inject there is nothing. Inside function I have written that message.payload is an array that contains an object which contains some values. So the object has two values, name and roll number. So this is my table. Let's add another entry in our table. So you just need to copy this object, separate by a comma, and write another name like then deploy. And there is no setting else here. Just inject this and see your dashboard. So now you see two entries in our table. Let's see what are the settings inside a table. So if you add the type of the column here, you need to add for all the columns. Like I have created two columns, name and roll number. So I need to enter both these columns where the property should be same as I have entered in the function. And let's do it. And here you select the type of the output. So it is text. In title, you can change, like here I'm changing. This will be the representation on the dashboard. But this property should be same as whatever you had written in the function. Now let's add a third column that is rating to showcase that there are these types of format available to show on the dashboard. Plain text, HTML, link, images, progress, graphic, color, text, star. I'm representing you this star one. So here I need to give the numbers only and the representation will be in the star ratings. And we will have a detailed video for these all type of uses in the table node when we will be working with the SQL, get the data. So let's add third property of the object that is the rating is let's say 4, let's say 3, deploy and inject. Now you see the third column which is shown in the star rating. So as similar, if you are writing in this table node, you have to add all the columns you are sending to the table node. Otherwise, you just delete all the columns and data will be represented then also, but not in this format. If you want to show in these formats, then you have to write in the table node. So I hope you understood this table node clearly, but we will have a detailed discussion when we will be working with the SQL nodes also. For now, practice this and explore this node and stay curious, consistent, and keep building something amazing. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next one.